Let's unbox this multifunction rear entertainment display. Really nice box. Right? How we gonna unbox it? The bunch instruction manual, how to install, how to run the cables, all the color display. Pretty much installation is super easy. All right. Temporary jack you have, and only one cable. It's gonna be unplugged. One cable plug. This is actually just a Y cable run, and this one is display. This comes with the tool. I'm going to show you how to use it. And this one temporary, just to loop it the cycle. All right, this is the screen. As you can see, the vents out, 2 USB, reset button here. And pretty much this is the vents in, and the screen, straightforward installation. That's big wires goes all the way down there. So I'm going to install it and we're going to start running. Let's do it. All right, I'm going to show you today the best item ever I install on my vehicle, right? My back seat is going to be so much quieter from now. I'm going to focus a lot to driving, right? Let's dive in. Let's take a look. Okay, this is for the Tesla vehicle Model Y, Model 3 is 8.66 inch rear seat infotainment system. As you can see, I just installed it. It's taken me like 20 minutes, right, roughly. So the installation video, I'm not going to cover it because they have a detailed, very easy to installation video. And as you can see, you have a still USB-C output. Oh, I put a lot heat. It's hot now, so it's the sweating a little bit. So this part, the lower part, it's separate. I like with each side, like you don't compromise anything from the factory. And as you can see, the front seat, my favorite is front seat. It's moved separate, lower part, upper part. As you can see, the front seat, if you want to move a little bit space, you can go to the front seat, right? So AC, it works as soon as you turn on from the front. You're gonna go to auto, or you can do adjustments for the fans. You can see very easy to adjustments. We can put the lower and auto, or you can turn off. When you turn off rear AC, the front is gonna still work. That's huge plus, right? I'm gonna turn on again. So here you can do the multiple dog functionals, the camp mode, right? You can put it actually enter the camp mode. You can adjust the settings, the fan. It's gonna be adjust exactly the same way like a front, so you're not gonna go to front. Child lock also, it's gonna be here. As you can see, you can clock it. It's gonna be child lock. It's gonna be open it, and it's gonna be there, right? So now we have everything's locked with the child lock. So after the lock, you can unlock that. So the first is going to be fan. The second, it's going to be heated up seats, right? You can control all the heated seats, and the close all, it means you have a heated all the seats, for example, right? You can close them. It means you can turn off everything at once. That's great options. Now seat controls, I don't know what is these items. Maybe it's a new the Tesla has some kind of, you know, the vibrational massage, I don't know, but mine is doing nothing when I click this. Next, it's going to be media, whatever you playing Bluetooth, or also you can adjust the media controls for the next song, previous song, if it's the FM radio. So volume up and down, next previous song, we're not going to cover a lot, but this one is a base on the Android. So as you can see, you can run a lot of apps too. So audio settings, you can do the equalizers, multiple band equalizers, a huge selection of audio settings, right? You can do the equalizer here. You're gonna go back, gallery. If you have it has a built-in the memory, you can put a lot of stuff, or you can read through the USB-C here, anything you want, the music, all that stuff, like audio, videos. So it's gonna be music here. If you have a separate music, it's gonna be videos here. The file manager here, Android Auto you have here. As soon as you connect the Android Auto, it's gonna be here. Navigation stuff, all that stuff. You can see like the rear passenger can see the maps, all that stuff. The next one is gonna be your media. All right, so it's gonna opens up YouTube here. We can watch any videos here. You can scroll down. So yeah, all the videos is gonna be here. Also, you can sign in to the Netflix, TikTok, and local videos. If you download any videos inside this device, so you can watch your videos, any clips you can watch from there. And the last button is going to be settings here. All right, settings, you can change the temperature, you can the vehicle right and left, it's for the control wise, and it's the time, the pretty much basic setups. And as you can see, UI is super nice and easy to use. Heated seats, all that stuff. Huge plus is you have a child lock here, and you're going to enter, unlock the child, you're going to enter your passcode, whatever passcode you set. As you can see, this screen is absolutely nice and clean, super nice and looking. You have a watch, you have a the hot button here. I saw it's somewhere here, this hot button. Actually, I can do the multi-screen here. That I didn't know. It's all the apps you can do. What about this? Yeah, the file management. You can do user manuals here. Open on the phone. Yeah, actually, this one, every time you put the passcode, it's gonna open the glove box right there. I accidentally pressed it. I didn't know it, but it's the glove box opener. How good is that? So yeah, if you can place. I cannot cover everything. This one's gonna be just the makes the screen goes away. Super clean looking screen. All right. Or if you pull this side, we can do all the settings, right? Car settings, the Bluetooth settings, connection, sounds, all that stuff, right? Even the screen, it is clarity right on the back. Yeah. So close the screen, it means you can turn off the screen, I guess. Yeah. Alright guys, if you're interested in something like that, I put the links in the description. Hope this video helps you guys. I'm gonna put a lot of electronics on this vehicle, and I'm gonna upload the videos. If you have any questions, just comment below what you guys think, and I'm out. Also in the next video.